Hello friends. In this video we will discuss about things to do at home. Work on your budget or personal finance. However, it is well worth your time. So rather than just wasting time doing nothing when you are bored, it might be a nice change to accomplish some personal finance tasks like budgeting. Learn to play the piano, or guitar, or saxophone, or any instrument. Learning a musical instrument is a satisfying way to spend some free time. It takes time and effort. Organize something. Put your spare time to good use by organizing your closets or anything else in need of some organization TLC. Watch some funny cat videos, or anything fun and entertaining on YouTube. Watch a TED Talk. Watching TED Talks is an even better use of your time when you are bored. Change the decor. Move around the decor of the room. Move the bed, table, and whatever else you have in the room into new positions. Update your resume. Change the date. Add in recent job experience and accomplishments. Describe new soft skills that you are developing. Write a letter of gratitude. Think about someone who has had a positive impact on your life and spend 5 minutes writing a letter to this individual. Taking some time to express gratitude not only gives you something to do to combat boredom, but it can impact your health in a number of positive ways. Stretch. One of the best things to do when you are bored is a simple stretch. Draw something, be artistic. Freehand. Pen and ink. Painting. Caricatures or even sculpture. It doesn't matter what you draw or create or how talented you are. Art is therapy. And if you get good enough, you have a great talent that your friends will envy. Please consider subscribe. Thank you for watching.